Well, at JBEI, we're developing drop-in biofuels. These are fuels that have a chemical composition similar to petroleum-based fuels, but they're made from plant materials, not from petroleum. So we're shooting for a chemical composition that looks like hydrocarbons. These are highly reduced compounds. They have a low proportion of oxygen atoms relative to hydrogen and carbon atoms. And properties of fuels that we're interested in are high octane number for gasoline substitutes and high cetane numbers for diesel substitutes. The compounds that actually lead to high octane numbers lead to lower cetane numbers. So cyclic hydrocarbons, branched hydrocarbons, and unsaturated hydrocarbons all lead to high octane numbers and low cetane numbers. To get high cetane numbers, we need long-chain saturated hydrocarbons. We're focusing on methyl ketones here at JBEI. They're naturally occurring compounds. They're derived from fatty acids, which are essential cellular components in a wide variety of organisms, from bacteria all the way to humans. And methyl ketones in particular are made by a variety of organisms. Some bacteria make them, some fungi, and some plants like tomatoes make methyl ketones. In plants, they're used as natural insecticides. And in the flavor and fragrance industry, methyl ketones are valuable as flavors such as blue cheese and also some fruit flavorings. We're interested in methyl ketones in particular because they have very high cetane numbers. They're much higher than typical diesel that's marketed in the US. Over the past few years, we've made a lot of progress on bacterial production of methyl ketones from sugars. In 2012, we reported the first engineered strains of methyl ketone producing bacteria, and since that time, we've improved production about 160-fold. So now we're at about 40% of the maximum theoretical yield, and we're working very hard to improve methyl ketone production so that we'll make this fuel more appealing to biofuel companies, and they'll want to commercialize it and sell it around the United States. Methyl ketones are just one of the fuels that we're developing here at JBEI. We're trying to develop a chemically diverse portfolio of fuels such that biofuel companies will have a lot of choice about what fuels they want to develop and commercialize for a sustainable energy future.